Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Tonight we are going to kouruki, smoke our tāmure.
Cracked it today, whānau.
Sweet, first part is to cut the head off.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, make sure you cut a bit of the fillet off as well. Then you butterfly the fish.
So you just gotta...
Saw it.
Fucking working.
Oh, hang on, I'll just go grab the chainsaw.
Get the axe killed. Nah, honest, are we meant to be cutting through this?
Sweet. So once you do that, should have taken us 2 minutes, took us 20 minutes. Hit it with a bit of tote. Be generous with the tote. And then hookah, prauri. Yeah, be generous with the
Hooker,
hookah. Make sure the sugar's thicker than the meat. Then you put the wire through the heads.
Ka pai, we've got the fish heads hooked up on the wire, through the mouth and the eyes, up to you, whatever you want. And we're just gonna hook them into the smoker.
A bai, ko iri ngā upoko. Now it's for the frames. Ka whakatauria ki runga i ngā pae nei. Tatia te tatau. We'll be back shortly. Oh, wicked. Oh. Maggie. Out of the dog's bowl. Wow. Ira tā maua i ka kouruki. Gee.